What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and I don't even know how to describe this, so I'll just show it to you. Yeah. So this is a neighbor's regular customer, my regular customer, and yeah. Let's get one of these bad boys. Lay that right there. And we're gonna put my foot. I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. That's how long my foot is. And that's how long the grass is. And I'm gonna love every moment of this. So I'm gonna go knock on the door because he wanted to get it cut. Yes, sir. Alright people, got it done. It's a little bit of clippings left, but I think it turned out pretty decent. Just a little bit of clippings. I'm pretty sure they'll be pleased. It's better than it looked when I pulled up. So I cut it at 3.5. I went crossways, vertical. No, I went crossways, horizontal, diagonal, vertical, and then back horizontal. So a 4 cut. As long as you got sharp blades, you can take care of it. So everything's back to normal. Anywho, that's all for that video. A little quick video. Got lots more to do. More mulch in the back of my truck, so I'm gonna get to handling that. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.